Well, new opera is the future. If we want to hear stories and narratives about the 21st century, then we need to turn to contemporary opera.
Of course, when you work with young people, that's extra special. And the enthusiasm and the energy that I get from them is a really great joy.
To be able to work with a live composer, a librettist, they're getting fresh ideas every day in this workshop.
I've learned flexibility as an artist. I've learned how to share and be collaborative.
This is really now a golden age of opera, when people are writing all sorts of accessible operas using all different types of musical styles. So that's a wonderful golden age to be in.